It's time for swimming lessons. Don't fret. There's nothing to worry about. Soon you will be ready to 1, 2, 3 jump. The first thing you need to do is put on your suit. No, not that type of suit. A swimsuit. Silly. Some swimmers also wear a cap. Oops, not again. A rubbery, stretchy, waterproof, colorful swim cap. Goggles are helpful too, seriously. You think those goggles are going to help you in the pool? Okay, you are finally ready to jump into swimming lessons. When you arrive at your first lesson, you will meet the other students and the teacher. Your swim teacher will be an extremely good swimmer, but not a goldfish, or the Loch Ness monster, or a mermaid. You don't need a fancy fin to swim. Though, if your lesson goes well, you might get to put a pair of flippers on your feet. Your swim teacher will begin by teaching you some important safety information, like no running around the pool, and stay on the wall when it's not your turn, and don't use your favorite stuffed animal as a flotation device. Now, 1, 2, 3, jump. You are not ready yet. No, the water is not so cold. It will turn you into a kiddie sucker. You will get used to it. Yes, that smell is totally normal for a swimming pool. It's chlorine added to keep the pool clean. No, the slurping sound is not a sea creature trying to suck into its mouth. It's just a filter. Let's start by getting comfortable in the water. Hey, get your blankie out of there. That's not what I meant by comfortable. Try dangling your legs in the shallow end. Fish won't nibble your toes. Are not you going to get into the pool? Don't think about the deep end just yet. Instead, think about trying on those flippers. You're not just not ready. Maybe you could practice blowing bubbles. No, not like that. Just put your lips underwater and hum your favorite tune. Well done. Time to put your head underwater. No, the swimming pool is not home to sharks or alligators or shark gators, even in the deep end. Thanks to those handy swim goggles, you can put your face in the water and see for yourself. A little farther. Almost there. Super. Now you can get into the pool, right? 1, 2, 3, jump. What? You still need more time? Let's move on to floating. Relax and let the water hold you up. First on your back, then on your tummy. Time to get those legs into the action. I know you are excited about the flippers, but first you should learn the flutter kick and the dolphin kick. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Great kicking. Now let's have some fun. Who can make the biggest splashes? Wow, you have really got the hang of it. But you do realize you need to get into the pool to really learn how to swim, right? Seriously, you can do this. Your swim teacher will catch you. I promise just one big jump and then everyone can try out the flippers. Okay? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Hooray, you did it. I knew you had it in you. Flippers for everyone. Let us swim. 1, 2, 3, and jump.